Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore some exciting and unique ways to greet Merry Christmas. Whether you're tired of the same old phrase or simply want to impress your loved ones, you've come to the right place. Let's kick things off with our first alternative way to say Merry Christmas, Joyous Yuletide. This charming phrase hails from the medieval times and adds a touch of history to your festive spirit. Imagine the smiles on your friends and family's faces when they hear this unexpected greeting. Next up, we have Festive Felicitations. This vibrant expression is perfect for those who love alliteration and want to bring a little flair to their holiday greeting. Picture yourself spreading joy with these catchy words. Your loved ones won't be able to resist smiling back. Now, hold on to your Santa hats. It's time for Merry Yule. Inspired by ancient pagan traditions, this alternative greeting takes you back to the roots of the winter celebrations. Surprise your friends and show off your festive knowledge with this lesser-known yet delightful phrase. Moving right along, we have Cheerful Yuletidings. This jolly combination of words brings together cheerful and Yuletide to create a heartfelt and refreshing holiday greeting. Spread the festive spirit far and wide with this warm and merry salutation. Last but not least, let's wrap things up with a truly global alternative to say Merry Christmas, Buon Natale. Widely used in Italy, this phrase not only sounds beautiful but also adds an international touch to your holiday wishes. Surprise your Italian friends or add a touch of cosmopolitan charm to your celebrations with this enchanting greeting. And there you have it, folks, some incredible alternative ways to say Merry Christmas. I hope you've enjoyed this video and are feeling inspired to try these unique phrases during the festive season. Let us know in the comments below which greeting caught your attention the most. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Wishing you all a wonderful and joyful holiday season. Until next time, take care and stay festive.